Vivo launched its new mid-range smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y300 Pro. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300 Pro features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y300 Pro sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 32-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 80 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on Origin OS 4 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.4 by 76.4 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 194.6 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is available for purchase in the country in titanium silver, jade black, white, and jade blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.